What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a form on your GoDaddy website. So here I have my website opened in the website editor, and to go to the website editor simply go to your GoDaddy account, click on your products and select the website that you want to edit and open it in the website editor. Now once it's opened right here, you want to add a section that has a form. So click anywhere you want to add your section in the plus icon here, and then click on add section. And then what you want to do is to go here to the search and you can enter form, and here you have the contact us form. Don't worry, I can edit each and every element here to make it your own as you want. So I'll just select this simple and basic contact form, and here you can edit each of the segments. So let's say I'll name it get to know you, for example, and instead of name, email and message, I want the form to gather your name and your phone number. And here you can edit the title, contact us, and you can edit the header here, description, business name is test as I entered. And here you can edit this field. For example, if you want to gather their phone number, let's say phone number. Okay, and here single line text to gather phone number and make this field required as well. So here it is. I've now set the field. The name field, I'll leave it as it is. The email, I cannot edit it since they require visitors in the form to enter their email. So that's how I can edit it. And if I click on the contact form here, I can view all my fields. And here I have additional fields to add, like for example, I can show or allow the customer to attach a file.